So my name is Giovanni Sosio. I'm based in Paris, in France, and I work for Celsius Energy. Celsius Energy is a subsidiary of SLB, the International Oilfield Services or Energy Service Company. And what Celsius Energy does is to design and build systems for building heating and cooling using shallow geothermal energy. So using ground source heat pumps to extract the heat from the ground, use it to warm the building, and then extract the building during the summer and store it back in the ground. So the philosophy behind Celsius Energy was to take the expertise and the know-how and some of the technologies that SLB have developed in 100 years of energy services to optimize or improve the way that building heating and cooling is done today. Why that? Because we realized that the impact of decarbonizing heating and cooling by improving the way it is done is huge, because the amount of energy and the amount of CO2 emissions that come from the building heating is a significant portion, a very large portion of the global emissions and the global energy consumption. So we've thought that it would be a very fast way of producing or giving positive change by using the technology developed in the oil and gas. If I want to make the typical example of how we have done this, we have used the expertise in drilling from deep geothermal or oil and gas drilling to devise a system to drill inclined wells from one single point at surface to reach a larger portion of the ground in such a way that only a smaller footprint at surface is used for the drilling. This allows geothermal systems to be developed in places where it would be otherwise impossible. And the other aspects that we've taken is the expertise from our mother company in modeling and in digital tools to develop systems that from end to end would allow to optimize the operations, the dimensioning and the day-to-day operations of the system with our digital tools. So Celsius Energy has probably realized about 200 wells and about 12 or more complete borehole heat exchanger, with at least 2 or 3 projects going on at the moment. I can quote 2 examples. We are currently finishing a district heating and cooling system, so a loop where our wells, about a few tens of our wells, provide heat and store heat for a neighborhood in the United States, in the northeastern United States, or another system in which for a single building which is mixed use, both offices and a workshop, our system with 18 wells, for which we have completed the exchanger and we are now installing the heat pump, provides heating and cooling to one of mixed-use large buildings in the United Kingdom. So most of our projects so far were in France, but Celsius Energy is expanding beyond its home turf to look at other countries where the opportunities for heating and cooling might be available. And the reason for us to be here at GeoTHERM is also, first of all, for this European expansion. So it's a place where the European geothermal community meets and we can be talking with potential new partners, but also because the projects that we have developing are supported by a strong engineering and research effort, so that we keep developing and improving our solutions. And a place like this, which is an exhibition and not only a conference, is a way to get in touch with what our providers have to offer, so they can improve the way we build and design our systems with the best in class in terms of technologies.